If you have less than 100 subscribers, stop scrolling. You're making one mistake that's killing your channel. But first, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell, follow me on every platform, buy my course, join my Discord, and comment with the word algorithm.
It's the algorithm, old boy.
It's the algorithm, mate. It's the algorithm.
It's the algorithm.
It's the algorithm.
Algorithm.
Algorithm. Algorithm.
Algorithm.
Algorithm. Isn't that every grow your small YouTube channel video ever? If you're like me, you're trying to grow and you watch those videos and they're all the same thing.
Consistency is the key.
So how often should I upload?
Yes. The algorithm loves watch time.
How do I get more watch time?
Just make people watch longer, old boy. You need better thumbnails.
What should I do to make them better?
Just make them better.
If you're nearly an old age pensioner like me, you might remember back in the 80s, late 80s, early 90s, there was a scam where they had these things, newspapers, magazines way back then, and in the back of the newspapers and magazines they had something called the classifieds. And you'd read through there if you wanted to buy a car, you wanted to buy some old furniture, an old stereo, people would advertise it in the classifieds. You could look through there, give them a call and try and buy it. Well, people like me would search through those classifieds and we'd see little ads that would say, send me $1 and I'll send you a plan to make big bucks. So I'm like, hey, why not just send them $1? So you send them $1 and they send you a book, some copied pages, and what the plan is to buy classified ads and ask people to send you $1 to send them this plan. Yeah! I suppose you could make money, but you gotta hustle. Plus you gotta spend the money to make the copies, you gotta spend the money to get the classified ads, you had to spend the money for the postage. So I don't know, maybe you'd make 40 cents on $1 that they sent you. But I kind of look at these small channel growth videos the same way. They're going to tell you a secret, but what they're selling is the secret itself. Because there is no secret.
What?
You gotta hustle. It's always make sure you set these, after you upload a video, do these 100 things. After you upload a video, don't do these 101 things. Change this setting. It's killing your channel. Turn off this setting. You'll get 1 million views. Turn on this setting. It's killing your channel. So I know that you all have been through the same thing.
Yeah!
Alright. We don't have any fake success stories. No overnight miracles. None of that here. Just progress, some lessons, and some things you might want to think about. So, start a YouTube channel, and for me I started it because family had some medical emergencies and we had to be separated for an extended period of time. So I started the channel. I found an app on my phone called iMovie. I said, hey, instead of just talking about stuff, I'll make a little movie and then folks can watch what I'm doing around the house. So I started doing that. I made a couple. They're too big. The files are too big to send as a text. So I had to figure out a way to get them to view it. I tried to put it on Facebook. I couldn't really figure it out. So I said, hey, I'll just start a YouTube channel. Put it on YouTube. Started putting it on there. Folks watched it, mostly just family. And then I really started to enjoy the process. Making the, coming up with the idea, making the video, editing the video. So I just kind of snowballed, and is where I am now. Been about 15 months, yeah, making videos. So What you do when you start, you have fewer than 100 subscribers, like me. It's currently 78. And you'll notice that most of your videos don't get a lot of views. Not a lot of views. Most of mine are between 100 and 200 views. And then, you think, is anybody watching? But when I think that, I really take a look at it, and I say, hey, here's a guy just doing some videos in his backyard, in his attic, and there's 200 people, maybe it's 150. Some of them watched it more than one time. There's 150 people that watched it. That's pretty good. Kind of humbling, They don't even know me. The truth is, most every successful creator started exactly like we are. The difference, you keep uploading, you keep learning, and you focus on videos that people are looking for. Now, do I do that? I don't know. I don't have enough stuff to do around the house to make content about just one thing. And I like to do other stuff. Hunt for Bigfoot. Ride roller coasters. So I make a video about it, put it on the channel. So, when I look at my analytics,
I'm seeing the analytics, but I'm not believing it.
it's not all that bad. I mean, compared to a huge channel, when I look at views, like I say, 200 views, somebody's going to laugh at that, a big channel. They're going to laugh at 20,000 views. I'd be having a party if I had 20,000 views. So, that's where I am. And that's probably where you are if you have less than 100 subscribers. So, what you need to do is not compare yourself to those big channels with 100,000 subscribers. Need to compare yourself to the last video you made. Is it better? Is it more informative? Is it longer? I guess I just have to face it. I'm not going to skyrocket to a superstar in the first 2 minutes of being on YouTube. But I enjoy what I'm doing. People all over the world are watching my videos, and I'm humbled to see that. And I love the process. Like we said in the Army, you don't have to like it, but you have to love it. Turn the noun into a verb and do it. So stop comparing yourself to those bigger creators. You can't keep up with them. Your 200 views is just a drop in the bucket for their 20,000 views in the first hour. So, you need to compare yourself to your last video. Is it getting better? Is the subject better? Is the thumbnail better? Is the editing better? You need to get better all the time. And enjoy the process. Stay tuned if you want to see what happens. If you're on the same journey that I am, under 100 subscribers, subscribe and watch what happens. You subscribe to my channel, I'll subscribe to your channel. Remember, every big YouTube channel was once a guy with just 200 views. The only way to fail is stop creating. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.